Why is a life coach and personal trainer teaching a time management workshop? Well, I'm so glad you asked, even though you didn't ask. Hey, it's Deanna, your life coach and personal trainer. I have worked across the board with students, with parents with little ones, parents with bigger ones, parents with even bigger ones, older adults. And one common challenge that everybody faces is how to make time for what really matters to them. And so that is one of the things that you know, I know, we know, that when you get really busy, what's the first thing to go? Either the goal that you've been working on in life, career, etc., and or your movement practice. So to help you get to the fitness goal you might have, the life goal, etc., we've really got to help you what I call clean up your calendar. Kind of based loosely on that keep, sell, and toss, donate process that you use when you clean up your home. We are going to clean up your calendar to make sure that you can really make time for what matters. So you can actually catch I've taught the whole process over on my YouTube channel. You can have a look at that. The Lunch with a Life Coach podcast, episodes 8 to 14 have the whole step-by-step process for free. Go for it. Or you can join me for an upcoming workshop that I'm going to have Monday, August 19th, 7 p.m. That is Eastern Standard Time. And check out my website, deannalangfordcoaching.com/coaching, and learn a little bit more. We'll see you soon.